Ordering Uber Eats with a gift card is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Ensure that you have the latest version installed. Then, find your desired restaurants and add them to your cart like usual. Once your cart is ready, tap on the Checkout button. On the Checkout page, tap on Payment Method or Add Payment. Look for the option to add gift card or redeem gift code. Carefully type in the gift card number and PIN found on the physical card or email you received. Make sure everything is accurate. Tap on Add or Redeem and wait for the app to verify the information. If successful, your gift card balance should be displayed. If your gift card balance covers the entire order, simply choose it as your payment method. If not, you can combine it with another method like your credit card. Double-check the selected payment method and amount before confirming. You can also add a tip at this stage. Enjoy your meal. Once you finalize your order, it will be processed, and you can soon expect your delicious delivery.